woman?
Prove it.
I will. I'll get me one of them high-tech spy birds to chase you in the sky. What do you say about that?
I said, go ahead.
Spymen. Me and Mr. Bear, we have a proposition for y'all's company.
And what would that proposition be?
We need a loan for our new product.
What was your new product?
It's this bird. It's not really a bird, but it's a bird that has cameras in it that you can spy on people with if you feel like they're doing something wrong towards you.
And the price of this loan?
$50 million.
So, you mean to tell me that you want to take out a $50 million loan on a mechanical bird that basically invades people's privacy?
It doesn't invade people's privacy. We'll get to that later, though.
Does the law say it doesn't invade people's privacy?
Yes.
Do you have any equity?
I do. Let me get it.
Do you have two shoes?
No, I only have this one. The shoes were $5 million.
So you mean to say that if you don't pay your $50 million loan, we're going to take away your shoes?
Thank y'all. I thank y'all for my loan.
I'll come running.